Hi guys, good day to everyone. Welcome to the Forex analysis for next week. Just want to give thanks to those who viewed my video last week and some of your comments and some of your likes. Really appreciate that. And those who haven't followed my channel, please follow my channel. And if you like the video, just hit the like button. And if you have any comments, you want to follow something more, or you want to look for some different pairs, let me know. I can analyze that too on the comment section. So let's go to next week, the fundamentals. Let's see what we have for next week, and then we will go to the charts. Okay. Okay. So Monday, so Chinese New Year is happening next week, and China is on bank holiday Monday, so maybe we can expect some pullback on Mondays. And then Tuesday we have GBP flash manufacturing PMI and the USD flash service PMI. So we could get some movements here. So what I'm expecting GBP to like give some reactions from the current levels. So let's see what happens. So on Wednesday, Audi got New Zealand and Audi got CPIs. So they're expecting 2.2 to 1.4 is going to go down. So that means we can expect some weakness in these currencies if these results comes true. And CAD got overnight rate, so they're increasing it by 0.25 basis point. So we can expect some strength in CAD for time being. On Thursday, advanced GDP quarter on quarter for USD. So it's got 3.2% to 2.6%. So we can expect some drop in this. So we can expect USD to become weaker for this news. And then we have core PCE price index month on month. So they're expecting 1.1%, 0.1% to go up. So I guess for time being, like we can expect some strength for short term. So the dollar strength is coming. So for dollar strength to come, I think probably from 1st of January on 1st of February onwards, because the following week has the USD federal fund rate coming up. So for that, USD could become stronger from February onwards. So let's see what happens. So what I'm expecting for the first like half of the maybe till Wednesday evening, dollar to become little stronger, like give some reaction to pull back, and then accept some reaction from these prices. So there are some order blocks here, so market could reach to those prices and then react from this, like give a push down to this channel. And then what I'm expecting this buy to happen from following week onwards, not next week, following week onwards. So dollar could break out this channel and then go for a bull run, at least for short term, at least as a correction for a short term. So far I'm expecting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this short-term pullback on dollar, and after that it can push down and then go up from next one onwards. If you go to higher time frame, you can see market almost reaching to this, almost reaching to take the liquidity out from here. So I'm thinking this would happen probably by next week onwards. So next week this would get cleared and then shoot right back up for a correction, bigger correction. So this is what I can see on DXY. Okay, so if you have any comments, if you have anything to say about this, please put it down on your comments and I can reply to you on the following video, or I can reply to you on the comment section as well. So pound dollar, it's doing a little bit of correction here. Yes, last week it did go up almost to break the high, but then never did, and then came right back down. You see this order block right here. It reacted from this level and never took the liquidity above. So what we can expect, pound to give us more downside a little bit, maybe till early part of the week, and then go up to take the liquidity above and go up to 1.25 level, somewhere there, because I can see on D1 there's order block on pound dollar, and then from that price market could bring down pound dollar for a good correction, and after that we can expect a buy bull run. So for next week I'll be looking for my sells and I'll be looking for my buys, and then following week I'll be looking for my sells, a long-term sells. So this is the sort of scenario I'm looking at. So if you are looking for buys, I'm planning to take some buys from 1.22 level, and if I see some reaction, break of structure, then I will go for it. And long term, I'm expecting GU to come down to potentially to break this low 1.18 level. So I'm waiting for this low to come and break. After that, I'll be looking for my buys. Okay. I hope this like valuable to you. Last week, I expected GU to go up to 1.22, 1.23 level, but then it shoot up and went to 1.24 level and gave us a reaction, and which is fine. GU always does that. GU always do expansion, so the price went up a little bit more and then came down. So the prediction was pretty good last week, and I made some money from buy and sell as well. So let's look at GBP yen. So last week I predicted that GBP yen to go up. So this is exactly what happened, and it corrected during the early part of the week, and then for the yen news, market shot up and it corrected again, and then went up to do a more correction. So I'm expecting to give us a downfall to break these two low, or we can go. It can give us more upside, a little bit more, and then fall. So if anyone looking for this sell, I think this will be a good sell, at least to take about 400 to 500 pips. So GBP yen, this will be a good correction. You can see the correction is happening, as I explained on my first video, the correction is happening pretty much like this. So I'm expecting some more down and then up possible, or it can come down to break these two low and then potentially like ready to go up for a bigger correction. So this sort of view I can see for GBP yen. USD CAD looks really good, and perhaps from Wednesday onwards for the rate statement, and I can see give us some pullback, and then probably by Wednesday we can expect to shoot down, and then shoot down to probably to take this low, or from this low itself market could react to go upside, or it can from this price onward market could react to upside. So let's see what happens. But as far as I see, for time being, early part of the week pullback, and then on Wednesday onward market could fall, and this is CAD strength coming in with the rate hike. So this is what I can see. So gold, last week I predicted that gold would come down. So that's what exactly happened. But then didn't go down drastically. So not the bigger pullback is not yet coming. So for this week also, the upcoming week, what I'm expecting, market to give a little bit of pullback and then come down to this level around 1880 level, somewhere around there, and then react from this place to the upside, and then it could possibly go to 1950 level, somewhere around this level. And from that level, I can see from February onwards, after the seasonality factor is over, from February onwards, market to give us a downfall. So this downfall could be pretty quick, I guess, because there's so much liquidity sitting around here, and market could take those and very quickly and then move to the upside. So I can see more upside coming for gold. I think it will definitely go to break these highs and then go upside from, I think there are a lot of potential to go upside this year. So let's see what happens. So this is what I can see for so far gold. If you have any questions, any comments, please put it down on the comment section, guys. I will reply to you, or I will do some more different pairs for next week if you have any request. Okay, so I want to leave with one more thing before I finish this video. So those who have like aspiring to trade for long term, and you want to become a long term trader, like trading as your career. So I've been following this Instagram page, Trader Divergent, and this person puts out really good content on Instagram. So one of these content I saw and I took a screenshot of it. Just wanted to share with you guys. Why does it take so long to be a pro trader? Well, you are not only learning to understand the markets, you are also learning to understand yourself. And this comes with lot of meaning inside of this. I actually found it very profound. Why? Because like there's a research saying that within about 90 days, any newcomers in the market, they will lose their money, their entire capital within 90 days. This is about 80%. And overall research says about 90 to 95% failure rate on trading. So all of this comes down to like why? Why does this happen? Because people are gambling on markets. They're basically gambling in many ways, like not following the risk management, not following the money management, not following the fundamentals. So just basically like putting orders without a proper system, without a proper trade plan, without proper analysis. So all this comes to like basically gambling. So a lot of people think like, you know, market they can learn the market within week, month, maybe year. But I believe to become a decent a beginner trader, it will take you about 2 to 3 years, and then with the time invested on yourself, it will take about 5 to 10 to 12 years to become a pro trader. So it's just like, you know, you're going into university studying for 4 years and then going into a junior executive, or like, you know, a basic job, and then moving on to executive level, like supervisor level, manager level, like so on and so forth. But somehow I find people like expecting result within weeks, within months? Well, I think in trading, actually, it is very possible to expect results within a week, within a month. But then, if you want to become a pro trader has many aspects, that winning aspects, which to learn that it takes time. So for that, you need to understand yourself. So what do I mean by understand yourself? It's a lot to do with psychology. So I suggest you to like have a look at uh, I suggest you to have a look at Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas audiobook. One of the best book to listen to learn about the psychology that traders must have, at retail traders must have to succeed in currency market or any market, uh, like financial markets. So I really hope this gives you a lot of value. And uh, what I tell myself always to learn, stick to the rules, stick to like the strategies, and then always do the risk management first. Then I can go forward, and this can be a consistent return on my investment. So with this note, guys, I'll leave you guys. Have a great next week trading, and hope this analysis become really helpful to you. So have a great week trading. Have a great week. Thank you.